Yeah, hi, my name is Paul, and I'm basically from the Philippines. It's my first time in Bali, and I'm really excited that Kala invited me to be here in Bali. And one of the best experiences that I've had here is to be, uh, enjoying this particular workshop. It's like cold breath workshop, but for me, it's more than being a workshop. Instead, it's like a reflection of oneself. For me personally, I think this is like a stepping stone for me to level up myself, be it in the workplace or my family or whatever it is. I just felt that I know that I get something that is relevant to me. Thanks so much to Alex, of course, who's giving with those instructions that he's giving us step by step. I know that with those little steps by steps procedures that we had to go through from the whole workshop itself, I know that it's going to create big impact on myself, and I will be able to share it to people that I love, that I care about. And social media is a big platform for me to share what I have gained and the wisdom that Alex has imparted to every one of us. We are just six, but six is also a number, and I know that I will be able to share to the whole world that what happened to me here is just the start, and I will be able to create a big difference in the world by getting that simple step. Because I know that a journey with 1,000 mile begins with a single step, and this little step that I have just taken is a big leap of faith that something is going to happen to you. Big time if you just believe in yourself, believe in the people that are trusting you, and that's what Alex has just done to me personally. So thank you so much, Alex, and I will be able to share whatever it is, be it like small or big. That doesn't matter as long as you're able to create a change in the world. So you're a big part of it. Thanks so much, Alex.